Here's some space junk trivia. Subscribe. What is the preventative measure called to avoid collision? Is it A, collision avoidance, B, risk analysis, C, collision detection, or D, impact strategy? The correct answer is A, collision avoidance. What is a major concern for human spaceflight related to debris? Is it A, cost efficiency, B, spacecraft safety, C, public interest, or D, astronaut training? The correct answer is B, spacecraft safety. Which planet's moons are affected by space debris? Is it A, Jupiter, B, Earth, C, Saturn, or D, Mars? The correct answer is B, Earth. What does LEO stand for in space terminology? Is it A, longitudinal Earth orbit, B, low Earth orbit, C, light-emitting orb, or D, lunar exploration object? The correct answer is B, low Earth orbit. What type of debris includes spent rocket stages? Is it A, non-functional spacecraft, B, space probes, C, space telescopes, or D, active satellites? The correct answer is A, non-functional spacecraft. What is the expected lifetime of some space debris? Is it A, days, B, 5 years, C, hundreds of years, or D, 20 years? The correct answer is C, hundreds of years. What determines the re-entry of debris into the atmosphere? Is it A, orbital decay, B, atmospheric pressure, C, solar wind, or D, magnetic field? The correct answer is A, orbital decay. What system is proposed to clean space debris? Is it A, gravity pull, B, robo-vacuum, C, chemical spraying, or D, laser removal? The correct answer is D, laser removal. What is a possible consequence of Kessler syndrome? Is it A, increased collision rates, B, faster satellite communications, C, increased orbital stability, or D, decreased satellite longevity? The correct answer is A, increased collision rates. What type of material is often found in space debris? Is it A, metallic fragments, B, paper scraps, C, wood shavings, or D, plastic bags? The correct answer is A, metallic fragments. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.